Hey, this is Yvonne from Colorado, and I'm going to walk you through how to set up your This Is Not MLM site if you're using GoDaddy. When you paid your $21 initial admin fee to access the website files that come in the zip folder from Vic, you would have received an email from him. That email subject line would have said Instant 2000 Training 1, and it would have come from Vic, and inside that email is a link. The end of the link says 2,000 files and images, and that's the link that you want to click on in order to access the download link so that you can get the website files and upload them to GoDaddy. So you would click on that link, and that link is actually going to take you to a site that looks like this. And down at the bottom, you're going to see a link that says download website files and images, okay? You don't need to watch this video. You just need to come here to get the images because I'm going to walk you through the process, okay? So you would literally click on this, and the link should open, and at this point you're going to start downloading the files. So you would just click on Save As and just go save it to your desktop. I'm actually in Windows 7, so I'm going to just save this to my desktop, and it's going to download. Let me scroll down a little bit, see if you can see that it's downloading. Okay, you should see that it's downloading. Once it hits 100%, it'll be ready for you to actually open up. Okay, so it is now ready. The zip download has completed, so you're going to click on Open, and that's going to open up the folder. Now, the folder here is actually in a zip folder, so you're going to need to click on Extract All Files, and it's going to extract all the files so that you can actually open that folder. And it'll reopen itself, and then now you would double click on the True 100 Commissions folder, and now you see you have all of the files. Now in this folder you actually don't need two of these. This HT access we're not going to upload into GoDaddy, and this file with the V on it, it's the video, we're not really going to upload that either because the video on your page is already linked in the HTML coding to Vic's YouTube video. So we're not going to upload the video, okay? So now that you've done that, we're now going to go over to GoDaddy. So you can actually close this out, and now we're going to go to GoDaddy.com, okay? And now that we're here at GoDaddy.com, let me stretch the screen. All right, you're going to go to log into my account, and you're going to simply log in to your GoDaddy account with your username or password, okay? So I'm going to pause this video and go ahead and log in. Okay, so now that you're inside of GoDaddy, you're going to click on the My Account button up at the top. If you're someone who has purchased both a GoDaddy domain and a GoDaddy hosting account, you would be able to see that here, the domains and the web hosting here. Okay, so what you want to do first is launch the domain, and the reason you're doing that is because you want to make sure that the name servers are pointed where they need to point. If by chance you are using a different hosting account, you want to always make sure that the name servers are correct. So we're going to check mark that, and we're going to want to actually go and look at the name servers, okay? So you would highlight the one that you're working with, the domain. If you have multiple domains, that's fine, but choose the one that you want to work with, and you're going to click on name servers, okay? And that's where you're going to click on set name servers. And this is where you would go in and make sure that your name servers. I have a hosting account with these domains, and you would click on OK. That is what you would do. And then, now that you've done that, you would go ahead and go back. Let's see. Okay, so now that you've made sure that the name servers are correct, you would go up here and click on the hosting tab, and now it's time to upload the files, okay? So you would click on the hosting tab, and that should take you over to your hosting account. Let me move this over so that you can see the whole screen. All right, let's make sure you can see the whole screen. Okay, and then you would click on this, click on it, or put the check in the box, and then click on your domain. And now up here, if you can see it, you now have upload files, install WordPress, and turn on mobile. We're literally just going to click on upload files. And from here, this is where we're going to actually upload the files that you received from Vic that we just opened that file, the folder from, okay? So we're going to click on Upload and click on Add File. And from here, we're going to go find that True Commissions folder on our desktop. So I'm just going to scroll down and look for it. Again, I'm using Windows 7. Yours may be slightly different, but the process is probably the same. Just going to scroll down and look for it. Here's that folder right here. And you're going to double click to open it. And now you're just going to individually put each file in. So again, we're not going to use the .ht access. We're going to choose Express Install. And you're going to see that that's installing. And then you're just going to click Upload again. And you're going to click on Add File. Unfortunately, you have to do these all individually. And now we're going to do First Frame. And then we're going to do it again. And you're going to see that they keep uploading. And you're going to click on Add File again. And you're just going to keep doing this until you've done them all, okay? So I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to continue doing them all, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we've uploaded all of the files, you should be able to go to another browser and open that browser and see your actual website already built. So let's do that now. Okay, so here we are. You can see that your site is up and ready. You've got Instantly Add 2,000 to your income. Looks just like my site. Looks like Vic's site. If you scroll all the way down, you can see that the privacy policy and the income disclosure statement is there at the bottom. And now all you need to do is add your opt-in code here. And so again, I use Aweber, so the tutorials that I have are going to show you how to add Aweber. I don't know GVO, I don't know Get Response or Traffic Wave or anything like that, but I can walk you through how to add your Aweber. Again, you can get Aweber for just $1 for the first 30 days, and then it's $19 after that. But I'm an Aweber fan, and that's what I know how to teach you. So if you will go to my other tutorials, you will now learn how to add your opt-in code. Now, when you create the code, you're literally going to go back to your file manager, okay? And you're going to actually click on, you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for your index file. And if you click on that index file, you're going to be able to go in and edit it. And you're going to scroll down, and all you want to do is look for the part that says your opt-in code goes here, okay? You're going to paste your Aweber code in there. So you're going to literally don't remove the brackets. They're very important. All you're going to do is paste your Aweber code over. Your opt-in code goes here. Once you've done that, you're going to hit the save button, and then you're going to be able to go over to your website, and you will now see that you have an opt-in form there for people to opt in and raise their hand and say they want to participate to make payments to you on the first of the month. Okay, that's it. I hope that was simple enough to understand. If not, watch this video a few times. But bye for now.